Hi, it's Graham from Digital Freelance, and today I want to talk to you about marketing your business using LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is a really useful platform if you're mainly selling to other businesses, so what's called business to business. I've been on there for years, and it's a great way to build your network and build connections online. So basically it works on first, second and third connections. And the more first connections you have, the more second and third you'll have by the nature of networks. So it's really about getting started. So the first thing is to establish your LinkedIn profile. You maybe already have one. Second thing is to think really carefully about what you want to call yourself on LinkedIn, because that will be what people will search for. So I think my profile says marketing strategist, copywriter, Infusionsoft certified partner, because they're the three main things that I want to be found for on LinkedIn. And then you want to put your, almost like an online CV, the different things that you've done. Try and focus mainly on the elements of your previous roles that relate to what you're doing now, so it'll give you more consistency. Third thing is to start connecting with people, and the way to do that is to just look for a few people who you know, who you'll probably find on LinkedIn. If you have a look for me, Graham Constantine, you'll certainly find me. You're more than welcome to connect with me. Once you start doing that, LinkedIn will then start making recommendations of people who you might want to connect with. So that's a really good way to build a network. The next step is to start writing some articles. It's almost like LinkedIn is a blog, so you can put your articles on there and get people to read them and start to interact. You might also want to join some forums that are relevant to your industry. And the next step is to consider what membership level you want to have. I think from memory now there's a basic membership, then there's a business membership, and then there's Sales Navigator. And they're different amounts, but you can get a free trial for a month of the higher levels. It basically enables you to send what are called in-mails or emails to contacts who you may either be connected with or you want to get in contact with. So I recommend making a list of maybe your top 10 or 20 targets, write a well-crafted in-mail, send it off to them, and that's how you will start to make contact with potential clients. So I know I've covered quite a lot in this video. We are experts in LinkedIn, so we know how to use it to generate more business. If you want to give me a call, 07564 838 012. You can sit down for an hour. We do it for 30 quid, 25 quid plus VAT, or $50 if you're in the US. And we'll talk you through how to make the most out of your LinkedIn profile. So look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye.